Do you have an error preventing the Mimport Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Access the official Mimport Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Mimport Library, a native Windows library responsible for the import pictures and videos feature. It manages the detection of media on connected cameras and phones. If missing, the import wizard will fail to launch when a device is plugged in, and the system may report that no new pictures or videos were found. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Mimport is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mimport library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Mimport Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Mimport Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Mimport Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.